After the diagnosis of the old panels, the company who's doing the work now made a recommendation. I said, okay, I'll take that on board, then hit the computer for a while and came up with various reviews of those panels that are being installed now, as well as reviews of numerous other panels, numerous other options. And we decided to spend the money to get a longer warranty, higher energy efficiency. So that combination for us at this stage in our lives seemed the best. It's imperative to look at both price and efficiency as reviewed, as assessed by as many sources as you can find. Price is one determinant, of course, in life, but definitely not the only one. Again, just do your research. I'm not endorsing any particular panel. There's so many variables that you really must ask around. What I'm looking for, again, is almost what I was looking for initially, looking for a good product, good quality product with a good warranty. And I suppose one main difference would be this time it's being installed by a local company. This time around I expect the warranty to be a little more realistic. I'm 66, I expect this system to see me out.